absolutely no alcohol. Did I just have a blonde moment on camera? I did. You're gonna keep this.
Okay, rolling. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of Makeup, Games and Conversations with me, Karen. In this video, I have with me somebody who's made it big on the big screen last year with her debut movie, Yana. Let's say hi to Vaibhavi Jagdish, everybody.
Hi. Oh my god, I can't. I'm so excited.
Great, I am more excited than you, let me just tell you that. Okay, Vaibhavi,
Yeah.
what was your first movie as an actress? It does not have to be in a lead role because we know that your lead role was Yana last year, but in any role, even if you're a kid when you started.
So there's this movie called Koti Galu Saan Koti Galu. It was like a franchise-based movie. It's a comedy. So they needed 3 kids. My mom's brother was the director. So we were sitting at home and he called my mom and he's like, no, those 3 girls are only there. No, why don't you just choose those child artists? And you won't believe it, I was like in first standard or not even in first, I was way younger than that. The movie won a state award. Our first movie, the 3 of us won an award. So yeah.
So then I can't ask you which was the first movie you won an award for. It was when you were in first grade, that's awesome.
Who was your first ever boyfriend?
Do you need name or like what
No,
exactly?
let's not take name. Do you want to take his name? I'm okay.
No. So this was in engineering when I was in second year. That was like my first. See, because I studied in a girls' school, so I was born and brought up in Dubai. So I studied in a girls' school there. And then I did my 11th and 12th in a college called Agnes, which is again a girls' college. But I did high school in a co-ed, but I didn't really have a boyfriend. So my first boyfriend was in second year of engineering. Like, he didn't like me too much in the beginning. He thought I had a lot of attitude and he was my friend's friend basically. So he was like, that girl has so much attitude, but then I don't know how it just turned into this thing. And then we dated for a whole of, I think, 2 months.
Just 2 months?
Yeah, 2 or 3 months, I think. So that was my first boyfriend.
And as in, does he tick all the check boxes, all the girls have?
No. So tell us about the first celebrity crush you had from the South Indian film industry.
Do you know this actor Sudeep?
Yes.
He's got this really nice, deep, sexy voice. So,
Okay.
and there was this time he was shooting with my mom for the movie. We just gone for the shoot with my mom and he was there at the shoot. And there was this one incident where I had a bad headache, okay? And my mom was like, see, Sudeep is going back there, right? Go back with him. And Karen's drive was 45-minute drive, okay? And I'm like, oh shit.
So cute.
And I'm sitting in the car with him and he's like, are you okay? Don't worry. And I was not a young girl. I was like, what, 18 or something like that. For me, hormones were everywhere. Hormones were everywhere. And I'm sitting in the car with him. I was like, oh God, I wanted to die. What was your first ever business venture? The one you thought I need to make money on? It doesn't have to be makeup. It can be anything.
No, so the first time I tried to make money out of something is really funny. So I used to live in the hostel while I was in engineering college.
Right?
Yes. So I had this very close group of friends who was living in the room opposite me. So I told them that I will do your eyebrows and you have to pay me 5 rupees.
Oh God, you can charge them more.
Every time I did your eyebrows. Yeah, I know, but I was like, whatever. It's just the joy of getting that whatever money, even if it was 1 rupee. Yeah. So,
And did you get a lot of customers?
no, I only did it for my close group of friends, which was 5 people in the hostel.
Has there been a time where you just screwed up their eyebrows?
No. Sorry, not eyebrows, it was upper lip. Upper lip, because there's no definition and all, no? So yeah, I did upper lip. That was the first time I tried to make money. And then there was this other time, which was after I finished engineering, when I just moved to Bangalore. I started stitching. So I started stitching all kinds of skirts out of old saris and like traditional looking but western skirts, like short skirts, circle skirts, box pleat, and designing them myself, and I used to sell them.
Are you serious?
Yeah, and I
once we're done, I'm going to give you something. You need to make something for me.
please, I love stitching. Okay, the first time someone used a pickup line on you?
You just fart because you're brooding.
Exactly. I
didn't know if I should laugh or.
You should have said, yeah, is it stinking?
Oh god, Dad, I'm gonna cry this now. I think I was 15. And
Wow.
yeah, but I don't
You have really young experiences.
Yeah. Okay, so who's the first guy you ever had? You know that filmy kiss all of us have.
Oh, last year.
And
That's all.
what you gotta say last year, kid?
Last year. That's all.
Really, you're gonna get away with it like that?
Okay, last year. I don't even remember, man.
But she wants me to remember my first pickup line.
I mean,
this happened last
if
year.
you remember, great. But I'm not dating that guy anymore anyway. So, Vaibhavi, tell us about your first experience or your first encounter with alcohol.
So I'm studying in monks. Oh my god, you know that college.
Yeah.
So we just went out to Taj Ice. There was an ice or whatever. There was a pub called Ice.
Oh, okay.
It was in Taj. Okay. That time I used to not have a drink. I used to have shots.
Ah, right.
So you know
How
that
old were you?
age
How
where
old were
you just want.
Exactly.
No, I started at the right age. I had like 5 tequila shots.
Okay.
Dude, I got so drunk that I was standing and I was talking to oh god, I can't believe it. Standing and talking to a friend, and I leaned behind thinking there's a pillow. There was no pillow. I just fell on my oh my god. Have you ever met a celebrity and just flipped it?
I met a couple of them. I am an engineer, right?
Yeah.
And I wanted to do work as in IT, and then after 2 years do masters and then go to US. That was the plan, like every engineer. So when I moved to Bangalore, in 2016 for some time while I was interning at Ministry of Defence, and then again I moved for good in 2017. So when I was in Bangalore, I met I met Raghu, Shruti Hariharan, and a couple of them, I don't remember now. And all of these guys were like, why are you doing engineering? You should do something you like, do makeup. And so these were the people who actually got me into makeup. Describe the first time someone took your autograph.
This was when I was in 8th standard. It was a home production, so when they needed some child, my parents used to get a hard So I still remember we were shooting in the house and it was my scene with Jayapurada ma'am. The house owner's kid was there who was taking a picture with the ma'am.
Right.
I was just in awe. I was just standing there and I just knew this whole take my autograph or whatever because I was really young. And then she just walked up to me and she said, ma'am, can I have your autograph? You know what I said?
Oh, what?
I said, why mine? Because that's enough. And she didn't know I want yours. I said, but why mine? I'm not a big star. That's why my dad always tells me it's amazing film industry that even 3 seconds can give you that love that you can get for the entire film. When was the first time you got a piercing or a tattoo done?
So I don't have a tattoo, although I always wanted one on the back of my neck. And I don't know what I want to get, so I still don't have a tattoo. But my first piercing, apart from like the normal earring piercing, obviously, is I got a second piercing above that on the cartilage. So that was my first piercing, and that was the same day I broke my sister's toe in an accident. Let's just leave it at that.
She hates you all her life, I think. She's like, oh my god,
I think so. I hope not. What was your first job and first paycheck? How much?
Honestly, I always had this feeling that I'm going to be an actress, I want to be an actress. But my first ever paycheck was my sister and I, my cousin and another friend. We hosted a party in Marriott, and we made a lot of money. So I made about $1 lakh or something in just a matter of 2 days. We decided to do a party like 2 days ago. We threw the party, and I made $1 lakh the same day. And it was like per person, each of us made $1 lakh each. And it was all given to us the same day. And it was a check, it was not even cash.
Wow, so perfect. Did you know what to do with the check? Because I didn't know at the age.
I got home, I gave it to my grandma, she went and kept it in the temple room.
Okay.
And she kept it in little bit of kumkum and all should put in the next day. I was doing puja to my check and exam on the sofa.
And then you took it off and spent it off on phone.
Then what was your first? And we do know certain makeup brands are quite expensive. Not the drugstore makeup. What was that one investment you made in any kind of makeup product that you felt was it's so expensive, but then you felt like okay, chalo, I need it.
So the first ever product I bought that was very expensive was this MAC concealer palette. It's a 6-color concealer palette. It cost 4,400 rupees. It's a nice product, but is it worth 4,400? I don't know. And this was at a time when I was not even earning. I just thought of becoming a makeup artist and I thought a palette is something I need to invest in right now. So it's very useful for a makeup artist, but I thought it was incredibly expensive at that time. And I had to take a loan to get, I took a loan from my cousin to buy that. Yeah, and I repaid it in a week. But yeah. You're going to kill me for asking you this question. Vaibhavi, what is your first boyfriend's name?
How could you ask me?
Thank God I put this question down.
Okay. My first ever boyfriend's name was Nanaya. He is a Kurgi and I was in Kurg. So there I became friends with this guy and it was just friends in the beginning. By the time I reached 10th standard, we were seeing each other.
Okay.
But there's nothing you could do in school the way they exaggerate shit, no? People, there's nothing you can do there because after 5 o'clock you can't meet your the guys from your class because the class is over and it's all meditation and all that. And you're in the girls' building.
Did you just say meditation?
Yeah, we have meditation like 1 half an hour.
Okay.
So he was my first ever boyfriend. Wait, now I'm thinking, was he actually my first ever boyfriend? Your first heartbreak.
Was in engineering that 3 months.
Guys, I have to tell you this. Carol has seen life only after engineering.
Yeah, man. What to do?
Engineering.
My entire life, I thought having a boyfriend was a sin. That's what my mother told me. And that's all I did.
Christian award.
Yes, I was. And now I'm just the opposite. I don't know what changed that. But I'm the total opposite now in terms of my beliefs. So my first heartbreak was the same boy that I dated for 3 months in engineering college. And it happened because he didn't study and didn't get good marks. Even though I spent so much time teaching him maths.
Oh my God!
And everything.
You broke up with him.
Yeah, so much time I spent teaching. Still he didn't pass. Or maybe he passed but he didn't get good marks. So, you know.
You are a typical Indian parent.
Yeah.
At least they pass but not
You
good.
have to get good marks, okay? It's important. You have to get good marks, okay? It's important. To get distinction and all. Okay, not distinction, but at least pass, man. How hard?
Were you a distinction, level student?
All my life.
You get
All my life.
serious?
Yeah, and I was always one of those who, the really annoying kinds would be like, oh my god, I'm going to fail, I don't know anything, and then get 100.
And then guys, look at her.
Okay, this is easy. When was the first time you bought anything luxury for yourself? It could be a luxury handbag or a shoe or a car or whatever.
I bought a trench coat.
Okay.
And I don't know why I bought a trench coat in a country like this. Not like I'm in Delhi also. It's so hot. And I was watching this show where she wears a lot of trench coat. And I went and bought this red color trench coat. I paid around 12,000.
Okay, wow.
And
Which brand was this?
Mango. And I
Okay.
was 17.
Okay.
Okay, and I spent
The weirdest thing to invest in
exactly,
India.
and I still have it. I've not used it ever. I wore it when I went to up north for a wedding in Missouri. I carried it with me, but then that time we got drunk, so I think when you drink, the heat just comes out of your body. And I don't want to wear the jacket, trench coat, so I didn't.
But your trench coat story is an example of actual luxury because you bought it when you didn't even need it. So that's like extreme luxury.
The first country or any city you travel to alone. And
Man, the first ever country that I was going to go to, apart from work obviously, because for work I've been to many cities alone. But other than that, the first country I was going to go to alone was going to be Maldives, and I was going to go in April, but then this whole coronavirus thing happened.
Oh, like this year?
Yeah, everything was booked. Everything, flights, hotel, all the dive trips, everything, and I had to cancel it. Because flights and all, they don't refund, so. Air India. Okay, which was the first dance number that you did on big screen?
Okay, my first song was this Mirchi song. And that song is choreographed like Kalakrishna. Oh, I'm the worst dancer ever. Compared to my sisters, though, I cannot dance.
High five there.
Yeah, I'm bad. And we went to rehearsal and I threw up. Because it was that difficult, the steps, and I couldn't dance. So this hook step, you had to be in a duck position. Imagine you're squatting
Yeah.
down completely, okay? And you have to move your right and left leg in the front, like this.
Oh my god.
I'm showing on camera, okay? And you have to do 8 times and then come up and there's a step like this and you sit down and do it again 8 times. And so the main hook step time, I had tears in my eyes because I just felt like I couldn't do it. But somehow I didn't do it. Everybody started clapping and in my head I was like right, left, right, I just got it. What is the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning?
So first thing I do in the morning is check my phone. It's not the best thing to do, but that's what I do. And the first app I check, it's actually 3. WhatsApp, Instagram and email. So email is the last thing I check. So between WhatsApp and Instagram. Okay, so we've come to the last question. And I think this may be the most controversial question. I don't know. Okay. So Vaibhavi, tell us about the first major controversy that you found yourself in.
Oh god, this I think, what should I call it? So,
Because I researched.
You research. Okay, so there was this incident where I don't know, some political party probably got involved, and there was a picture of me and this other actor who's not there anymore. We have been really close, like he's like my father. And somebody picked that one particular picture where I'm kissing him on his cheek, and it was an innocent kiss. It was like how I kiss my father. They put it up everywhere saying who's this mystery girl this particular actor has in his life, and they said it in a way that I'm like a mistress or some kind of thing. And then he also didn't know it was me in the picture, and when the these TV channel people asked him, he didn't know it's me in the picture, and he said so
Right.
he said something like I have a lot of girlfriends, how does it matter to you, or something like that. And with that day, that was my first ever controversy, and I hadn't even been launched in the film world, and I was all over the news, all over the paper, everybody were asking, and there is a certain section of people who thought it's true. So that was the biggest one controversy I don't think I can ever forget.
Okay, so that was it. We are done with our makeup and we have exhausted the entire set of questions. This is my finished look. And Vaibhavi is going to show you hers.
This is my finished look. It's very simple, but I'm not wearing the right outfit right now, but with this I wear a nice crop top and some jogger pants.
Awesome. I hope you guys liked this video. Vaibhavi, I hope you enjoyed being on this video.
Yes, I
and
had
playing-
a lot of fun. You guys won't believe it. We've been planning on this video for the longest time, and I really have to apologize to you, Karen. I'm so sorry. I did fall sick, and I had an eye infection, so I couldn't do much of makeup anyway.
Yeah.
So the minute I got better, the first person I called was you. I was like, we need to do it.
So we've come to the end of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's build this family together. Until the next time, take care. Bye.
Bye.